Hello guys, welcome back to class. Today we're going to be looking at the different types and uses of sedimentary rock. Let's get into it. You guys should remember that sedimentary rock is formed from layers of sediment which are compacted and cemented over thousands of years. There are three major groups. The first, clastic rocks, then organic rocks, and chemical rocks. How are these three groups different? These three groups are classified by what type of sediment makes the rock. There is different types of sediment in each of the three types. Different processes form each of the three groups. Let's talk about clastic rocks first. Clastic rocks are sedimentary rocks formed when rock fragments are squeezed together. Clastic rocks are formed from pieces of other rocks, which are pushed together over thousands and millions of years. The different types of clastic rocks have different size fragments or particles. Some examples are shale. Shale is made from tiny particles of clay. It is quite soft, easy to break, and we often find fossils in shale. Sandstone, as the name suggests, is made from sand particles, from riverbeds and beaches, or ocean floors. Conglomerate is a mixture of different size round fragments. All the fragments in conglomerate are round. Lastly, breccia is a mixture of different sized sharp fragments. All the fragments in breccia are sharp. The difference between conglomerate and breccia is that conglomerate has round fragments and breccia has sharp fragments. These are four very common types of clastic rock. The second type is organic rocks. Organic rocks are formed from the remains of plants and animals. Organic means something that used to be a part of a living thing or something that living things made. Coal. Coal is a very common organic rock. It is formed from remains of swamp plants buried in water millions of years ago. Limestone is another type of organic rock. A type of limestone called coquina is formed from calcite skeletons of ocean creatures like coral, clams, and oysters, which is pushed together under great pressure on the ocean floor over millions of years. Lastly, chemical rocks. Chemical rocks are formed when minerals dissolved in water crystallize. Crystallize means for the mineral to come out of the water as a solid. Another type of limestone is stalactites and stalagmites in caves. These are chemical rocks formed from calcite dissolved in water when the water moves slowly underground. As the water moves slowly, the calcite comes out of the water and forms the limestone. Another chemical rock is rock salt. Rock salt is formed from the mineral halite. When water evaporates with halite in it, the halite is left behind, and we call it rock salt. Sedimentary rocks have been used by humans for a long time. The first main use of sedimentary rocks is for tools. An example of this is flint. Flint has been used to make arrowheads for thousands of years. It can be made quite sharp. Flint is made from particles of silica. We also use sedimentary rocks for building materials. Examples are sandstone and limestone. They are soft and easy to cut into blocks or slabs. The White House is actually built from sandstone. Okay guys, I have some questions that I sent to you. Please do them for homework. And I will talk to you next time. Until next class, bye-bye.